tough time right now for the job market.
Will artificial intelligence replace us? Whose jobs are most at risk?
Into this 48,000 jobs at UPS, 14,000 at Amazon, 1,800 at Target, a slew of layoffs.
Major companies are slashing jobs and impacting tens of thousands of workers across the country.
Has raised fears that AI is already whacking corporate jobs.
The future of work is changing faster than anyone imagined. As we step into 2026, artificial intelligence is not just assisting employees, it's actively reshaping entire job markets. In today's video, we'll look at the top 5 tech roles most at risk from AI and, more importantly, how you will stay ahead by learning, adapting, and upskilling for a new AI-driven world. In just the first half of 2025, over 78,000 tech jobs were lost due to automation, a clear sign that AI is transforming how business operate. Entry-level developers, analysts, and testers are feeling the impact the most, as tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and GitHub Copilot can now perform many of their tasks in seconds. But this isn't all bad news. While AI is replacing repetitive roles, it's also creating thousands of new opportunities for professionals who learn to work with it. From AI-powered software engineers to data analysts who use AI for smarter insights, the future belongs to those who keep learning. So if you want to stay relevant in the new era, the key is simple. Don't compete with AI, collaborate with it. Upskilling in AI automation and next-gen tools can turn this disruption into your biggest career opportunity yet. So which jobs are being hit hardest? Let's break it down. The top 5 tech roles most likely to be replaced by AI in 2026, and more importantly, how you can future-proof your career in each one. The first one is entry-level software developers and programmers. AI is transforming how software is built. ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini can now write, debug, and optimize entire code base. AI will be able to write essentially all code by 2026. One senior engineer working with AI can now achieve what once took a team of 3, reducing the need for junior developers. Junior developers are particularly vulnerable because tools like GitHub Copilot, ChatGPT, and Replit Ghostwriter automates the most common coding tasks such as writing boilerplate code, debugging, and documentation. AI-assisted IDEs like Visual Studio, IntelliCode, and Tab9 make software delivery faster and more efficient, while AI platforms like SourceGraph Codey and Codium AI can handle reviews and refactoring automatically. As a result, companies increasingly prioritize hiring experienced engineers who can guide AI systems rather than entry-level coders who require training. To stay relevant, aspiring developers must learn to work with AI instead of competing against it. The future developer will be an AI collaborator, one who understands how to leverage tools like Copilot and Gemini for faster coding, debugging, and optimization. Upskilling in generative AI, prompt engineering, and AI-integrated development frameworks can help you evolve into an AI-powered full-stack developer capable of managing automation and contributing to creative problem-solving. The second one is quality assurance testers. AI-powered testing tools have drastically reduced the need for manual testing. These platforms can generate, execute, and analyze test cases automatically, identifying vulnerabilities and predicting potential system failures with remarkable accuracy. With every test cycle, machine learning models learn and improve, making traditional manual QA roles less essential. QA testers are most at risk because AI tools like Testim, Mablim, and also Applitools can now handle entire testing workflows independently. ChatGPT and Claude can generate and validate unit or integration tests, while visual regression testing and UI anomaly detection are now automated. Since AI systems can simulate complex environments and run tests at scale, repetitive manual testing has rapidly lost relevance. To adapt, QA professionals should transition into AI-driven testing and test ops. This means learning to design, supervise, and interpret AI-based test systems rather than running tests manually. Developing expertise in AI model valuation, AI ops, and automated quality pipelines will open doors to new hybrid roles like AI test engineer or automation architecture, where human expertise complements AI efficiency. The third role is junior web developers. AI has made website creation faster and more accessible than ever. AI-powered tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Bolt.new can generate clear HTML, CSS, and even React components from single text prompts, while design-to-code platforms like Wizard, Farmer.ai, and Lovable.dev can turn sketches into working prototypes within minutes. This automation has reduced the demand for entry-level web developers who traditionally handle tasks such as coding layouts, styling pages, and integrating templates. With platforms like Durable.co and Mixo.io now capable of building and optimizing entire websites, junior developers risk being left behind as basic front-end work becomes fully automated. To stay competitive, web developers must evolve into AI-enhanced creators who uses tools to build smarter and more personalized user experiences. Learning how to integrate AI features like chatbots, personalization engines, and automated designs helps you move beyond basics coding, upskilling in frameworks like Next.js, Framer, and Figma to code automation. Along with strong understanding of UX strategy and AI-driven designs will help you stand out in the new digital era. The fourth job role is junior data analyst. Data analysis is one of the areas most profoundly transformed by AI. Modern tools like ChatGPT, advanced data analysis, Claude, and Gemini can clean, visualize, and interpret massive data sets faster and more accurately than humans. BI platforms such as Power BI, Copilot, and Tableau GPT can now generate dashboards and insights automatically, while Python libraries like Pandas AI and AutoML handle predictive modeling with minimal input. Because AI tools can perform everything from pattern detection to forecasting, traditional data analysis roles focused on manual analysis on reporting and becoming redundant. Entry-level analysts who primarily uses Excel or basic SQL for descriptive analysis are especially at risk. As business turn towards AI-driven decision intelligence system, however, this evolution opens up a new opportunity. Becoming an AI-powered data analyst, professionals can stay ahead by mastering AI-integrated analyst platforms, Python-based automation, and data storytelling using AI tools. Courses like Data Analysis and Generative AI or AI for Business Analytics can help analysts learn to interpret AI-generated insights, validate model outputs, and make strategic recommendation skills that business will continue to value. The fifth job role is DevOps engineer. AI is rapidly transforming the DevOps landscapes by automating continuous integration, deployment, and monitoring process. Tools like GitHub Copilot for DevOps, AWS Code Whisper, and Azure DevOps AI can write optimized scripts for CI/CD pipelines, while Harness.io, Jenkins AI plugins, and Octopus deploy handled automated rollbacks and error management. Routine DevOps roles are vulnerable because AI systems now manage much of the infrastructure provisioning, log analysis, and performance optimization that once required human oversight. AI ops platforms like Datadog AI, Splunk AI assistants use predictive analytics to prevent incidents before they occur, cutting down the need to manually monitoring. To thrive in this changing environment, DevOps professionals should shift their focus towards AI ops and MLOps, blending automating expertise with AI-driven infrastructure intelligence. Learning how to design and maintain AI-integrated pipelines, monitoring ML models, and leveraging AI for resources scaling can help you evolve into an AI-driven cloud or DevOps engineer. Mastering cloud platforms with built-in AI capabilities like AWS, Azure, and GCP will make you indispensable for the next generation of operations. The rise of AI is not just another industrial revolution. It's a cognitive one. Machines are now capable of performing mental tasks that once defined human expertise. While this wave of automation is eliminating certain roles, it's simultaneously creating new opportunities for those who know how to leverage it. The truth is simple: AI will not replace you, but someone using AI will. Developers who learn to collaborate with AI, data analysts who use AI-driven insights, and DevOps engineers who master AI ops will not just survive, they will lead the next generation of innovation. Adapting to AI isn't about learning how to code faster or automate tasks. It's about learning how to think with AI, how to design better, strategize smarter, and make decisions faster with intelligent tools at your side. By 2026 and beyond, the most vulnerable professionals won't be those who resist change, but those who embrace AI as a co-worker, mentor, and creative partner. The future belongs to the augmented human, the one who knows how to harness artificial intelligence to amplify real intelligence. Thank you and keep learning with Simplilearn.